am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and this is my beautiful butterfly Ipsy for the month of April. I love this bag. I think it is so cute. However, I think I will be handing this over to my 4-year-old who's obsessed with butterflies and unicorns and all things girly. So anyway, inside, I actually have a couple of things that I got with points. You know, you can redeem your points for extra things. So one of the things I got was this delectable triple moisture body lotion in coconut and cream, and it does smell quite lovely. I actually really like the texture of this. It's definitely more of a lightweight, but still hydrating. It doesn't feel greasy or anything, but it has almost that like thin kind of watery texture. Not that it's watery and it's not like runny. Anyway, it's just a really nice cream and it smells amazing. And then the other thing that I got with points is this little liquid lipstick from Mellow. This is matte liquid lip paint. So it doesn't dry completely down. It's more of like a satin. You know how like the ColourPop satin, ultra satin lippies don't completely dry down, but they still look matte, but they just feel a lot more comfortable. It's not totally kiss proof or anything, but I actually really like the feel of it. I love the color of it, so I'm really happy with this. So you can see it's just a lovely like brownie nude kind of a color, and it's just, I love it. I super love it. And it's really comfortable to wear, so I'm super happy. Okay, so now for the stuff that came in my bag. Okay, so the first thing I have is this Hemp's Lips Herbal Lip Balm. The first ingredient in this is petroleum, so I'm actually going to put this in my giveaway pile because I do not like petroleum-based lip products. I just don't. Anyway, giveaway pile. If you are new to my channel, first of all, hello, welcome. Thanks for joining us. What I do is I take the samples that I know I won't use or that I already have or whatever like that, I put it in a pile, and when the pile gets big enough, I do a giveaway and give all this stuff back to you guys as a little thank you. So anyway, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will probably be having one coming up soon because after Gen Beauty, I have lots of stuff. So anyway, the Hemp's thing is going in my giveaway pile. This is a face mask. This is from FILORGA. I don't know, FILORGA? I don't know. It's MESO-MASK, and it's just a super hydrating, fantastic mask. I actually really like this. It has a nice light scent, and it basically just feels like a heavy-duty moisturizer that you kind of pile on your face, you leave it on for 15 minutes, and then wipe it off with a damp towel or just rinse it off, whatever. And it just leaves your face really super hydrated and wonderful. I think that I might actually try using this as like an overnight mask too, because you never know. Could be awesome, because so far I really like it, and it's got all of these wonderful anti-aging properties and just all kinds of good stuff for your skin. So that's really nice. I do love a good face mask. This is a blush from Ofra. Let me just take it out here. This is Chameleon, and I do have it on my cheeks today, and it's just this really beautiful kind of peachy terracotta pinky, I don't know what color that is, but it's really pretty and very flattering. I feel like a lot of people could get away with this. Ofra Cosmetics, I just generally love. I think they're really nice quality, you know, good pigment, good texture. They last throughout the day. I really like this. So I'm really happy with this. I love the shade of it. So pretty. This is a tapered blending brush. I'm not even going to try to say the name of this company, but I do like the brush. It's a good size, it's a nice density, the fluffiness is fantastic. I did use it, so it's a bit dirty, but I love it. I think it's great. You know, I mean, you can see like compared to my eye, it's just a really nice, fluffy, great for blending, but it has a bit of a taper to it. It's just, this is like my ideal size and shape for blending like my crease or any edges, or, you know, just, it's super useful, so I'm really happy with that. And then the last thing in here is from Meech and Mia, and this is a loose eyeshadow. This is, I guess the color is just copper, and it is quite coppery. I do have it on my eyes today. You can see like on my eyelids. Okay, it's a really lovely, super metallic copper. I mean, this is great. It's fantastic. So I was looking at the Ipsy website and I looked at the reviews for this, and there were only like 2 of them, but one of them was like, gave it a terrible review and said, I hate loose eyeshadows. And I thought, you know, I bet a lot of people feel the same way because they can be a little more difficult. They're definitely intense and, you know, just messy in general. So I have a little hack that I wanted to share with you guys, especially with colors like this. This is basically just a loose pigment. Yes, it's listed as an eyeshadow, but let's treat it like a pigment. You can use this on your nails, you can use it on your lips, you know, depending on the color you have. You can use it for all sorts of things. So what I'm gonna show you today with this beautiful copper color and the lotion that I got, I am going to squirt a little bit of this in my hand, and then I'm going to take my copper eyeshadow and just put a little dab of this on my hand. Whoop, let's, sure, why not? Let's go crazy and add a little bit more. Okay, so you can see, not too much, just a little bit. Lovely copper shimmery, and I'm gonna just put this on my arms and have a little bronzy glow. Isn't that perfect for like summer, you know? Just get this beautiful, it's like an insta tan, and you just look all coppery and just a little bit glittery. Once you've diluted it with that lotion, it doesn't look super crazy shimmery or anything, and it just adds a little glow. And you can put this on your legs or your arms, your shoulders. You could even use it as like a bronzer on your face. Did you see the difference in my shoulders? Isn't that lovely? Doesn't that give me a nice summer goddessy glow? Meh. Yeah, right? Meh. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna put it on this shoulder as well. And to use it on your nails, you basically just rub it on your nail and then go over it with a clear top coat, and you will have beautiful coppery nails too. I might actually do that after I'm done with this beautiful julep nail polish. But you know, just thought I'd share a little hack. I'm all about repurposing products that I probably won't use otherwise, because makeup is so versatile. You can do all sorts of things with it. Okay, so that's it for my Ipsy, my lone Ipsy, now that I don't have Play and Birchbox. But I do have a Ricky's coming up, and I should be getting my BoxyCharm today. So definitely make sure that you are subscribed and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of those videos. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!